Hello everyone, welcome to this video covering computer science topics for Java by the Computer Commons. We're going to be speaking on escape sequences in this video. What an escape sequence is really just a backslash character followed by some letter. It could be \n, it could be \b, r, f. There are a lot of different escape sequence combinations, and they all perform different manipulations on strings. So if you want to spice up your print statements or just make it not seem like a giant block of text, you can use escape sequences to help accomplish that goal. So I've taken the liberty of filling out some examples of escape sequences that we're going to see once I run the program. But before I get started, I just want to turn your attention to one small thing. It's a tip that might actually help you out over the course of your programming career in Java anyways. You can see that I don't have system written before any of these print line statements. And one way to get around having to write system over and over again is to actually import all of the files inside of the system library. So you could just write this line at the top of your Java files, your Java class files, import static java.lang.system.**, which is a wildcard, and you won't have to hit or write rather system in your Java class files anymore. And we'll see once I hit run that this works perfectly fine, no errors. So first example here is a \t. What this does is it creates a tab between any two words that you place the escape sequence in. The second example right here creates a new line, which basically does what println does, but you can actually use this multiple times in a string without having to do explicit out.println statements. Here is the escape sequence when you want to include a single quotation mark within your string. This one might be a little bit confusing to implement sometimes, but in the case where you want to have a quotation mark within your string, you can do the \quotation mark escape sequence, and Java will recognize what you're trying to do. It will see that you're trying to have quotation marks within your string. Now, one thing I should say for the single and double quotation mark escape sequences is that you need to implement a pair of escape sequences. These two previous examples, you notice that I only have one is \/ character followed by a letter, but for the single and double quotation mark escape sequences, you need to have a pair, so one in the beginning and then one at the end. That lets Java know that this word or particular phrase is what needs to be encapsulated within the single or double quotation marks. This last one here is how you would go about displaying a \/ character. So an escape sequence begins with the \, but you can also just tell Java to write a \/ out by writing two \/ right next to each other. And when we hit run, we'll see that everything down here in the output matches what we were just talking about. We can see the tab in between hello everyone here. We can see that there was a line break between hello everyone, and this creates a new line. And we can see the single and double quotation pairs in these two lines right here. And the last escape sequence only produced a single \/ character. So these are just a few examples of escape sequences that you can utilize within your programs. There are a lot more. You can do a quick internet search for Java escape sequences and see the whole list of them. But these are the ones that are going to get you the most mileage, I feel, throughout your beginning programming classes. Anyways, that's going to do it for us here. Everyone, please check back to see more programming videos for Java and other programming languages, and we'll see you in the next one.